Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about how we can add custom fonts in Canva. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirements. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So there is a two way or two method that you can use to upload your custom fonts. So first come to the Canva home here, okay, and here the come to the brand option. Under the brand option we need to find that fonts. Just select that fonts, and here you can see the all font style like title, subtitle, heading and all. Just come down, just scroll down, and here you can see the manage upload fonts. Okay, so now from here you need to choose your font file. Just click on that choose file. Okay, so I just click on it, and here I need to select my font, custom font file, and just open it. So before you upload your custom font, here the notification from the Canva that we just need your confirmation. By uploading your own font, you acknowledge that your own font, okay, you have own rights, okay, have the rights and use it for your intent purpose. Okay, so you whatever you have that font, custom font, that's on that you need to rights on it. Okay, so this should be legally acknowledgement can one from you. So just make sure you have the rights on that font and then confirm and upload. Okay, it will be start uploading. Okay, here so we have font, so I can also delete, also add new font from here. And the second way you can add, if you are designing if you design any kind of image or templates here, and while designing you need new font, then you can upload from here also. Go to the text, scroll down, go to the add brand fonts, go to the manage upload fonts. Here you need to add new or upload and add that fonts. Okay, so here also this notification you can see that you have the rights on to use it. Okay, and then confirm and upload. So we have already that font, so they asking for duplicate, so I just keep this complete. And okay, so when you upload you can see there. And now if you want to use it, you can write something here and select that text which you want to use font, or you can go here, scroll down, and here at the bottom you can see that option called custom fonts or uploaded fonts, or you can search from here that font name. Okay, so font name was Smile. Okay, this was font we uploaded, so you can select this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.